Welcome to Chandra Maths channel, Inter Maths 2B, first chapter circles, exercise 1D, second Roman, 6-7 problems. Find the slope of the polar of 1, 3 with respect to the circle x square plus y square minus 4x minus 4y minus 4 equal to 0. Also find the distance from the center to it. It means polar. Here we have to calculate two bits. First, slope of the polar line and perpendicular distance from the center to this polar line. Solution. Given circle x square plus y square minus 4x minus 4y minus 4 equal to 0. Compare with x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Then x quotient 2g equal to minus 4, y quotient 2f equal to minus 4, constant c equal to minus 4. Then g equal to minus 2, f equal to minus 2, constant c equal to minus 4. Given point p equal to 1, 3. So slope of the polar line calculate cheyali ante mundu polar line calculate cheyali kada. Equation of polar of 1, 3 is s1 equal to 0. Therefore equation of polar of p 1, 3 is s1 equal to 0. Here only calculating slope to the polar. First we have to calculate polar line and next slope. So polar equation is s1 equal to 0. S1 notation x1 plus y1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c equal to 0. Here x1, y1 is point 1, 3. G, F, C are from given circle. x1 1 plus y into 3. G minus 2 into x plus 1 minus 2 into y plus 3 minus 4 equal to 0. x1s are x plus 3y. Multiply with minus 2. These terms minus 2x minus 2 minus 2y minus 6 minus 4 equal to 0. X minus 2x plus 3y minus 2y minus 2 minus 6 minus 4 equal to 0. X minus 2x minus x plus 3y minus 2y plus y minus 2 minus 6 minus 4 minus 12 equal to 0. Take minus common, means change the signs. This is in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. This is the equation of polar. Now we have to calculate slope to this polar line. Hence, slope of 2 means polar line equal to minus a by b minus a value is x quotient 1 by b value is y quotient minus 1. 1 by 1 is 1. Therefore, slope of a polar line is 1. Now, distance from center of the circle to this polar line. So, మనకి ఇచ్చిన సర్కిల్ నుండి సెంటర్ కూడా క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలి. Therefore, center equal to minus g, minus f minus g minus 2. So, plus 2, minus f plus 2. So center is 2, 2 and polar line is x minus y plus 12 equal to 0. We have to calculate perpendicular distance from the center to this polar line. So perpendicular distance from the center to the polar line 2. Now center can be taken as x1, y1. Perpendicular distance formula is modulus of ax1 plus b1 plus c by root of a square plus b square. ఈ ఫార్ములాలో ఈ వాల్యూస్ అన్నిటిని సబ్స్టిట్యూషన్ చేయమ్మా. ఏ x1 ప్లస్ b y1 ప్లస్ c బై రూట్ ఆఫ్ a స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ b స్క్వేర్. 1 minus 1 2s are 2 minus 2 plus 12 by root of 1 plus 1. 12 by root 2. ఇలా అయినా ఆన్సర్ని స్టాప్ చేయొచ్చు, లేదా d ఈక్వల్ టు 12 కెన్ బి రిటన్ యాజ్ 6 2s by root 2. 6 into 2 can be split as root 2 into root 2 by root 2. 1 root 2 cancel, then also d equal to 6 root 2. This is the perpendicular distance from the center to the polar line. Next one. If ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is the polar of 1 comma 1 with respect to the circle x square plus y square minus 2x plus 2y plus 1 equal to 0, and HCF highest common factor of a comma b comma c is equal to 1, then find a square plus b square plus c square. Now we have to calculate polar of 1 comma 1. From the given circle g equal to minus 1, f equal to 1, constant c equal to 1. Given point p 1 comma 1. Now equation of a polar line of p with respect to the circle 1 is formula s1 equal to 0. ఈ నోటేషన్లో x1 y1 అంటే గివెన్ పాయింట్, gfcr from given circle. On substitution we get 2y plus 1 equal to 0 is the polar of p1 comma 1. In the problem, polar of 1 comma 1 is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. That is, for the point 1 comma 1, there are two equations of polar line, ax plus by plus c equal to 0 and 2y plus 1 equal to 0. P point K two equations of polars form అయినాయి, means represents the same polar line. So 2 and 3 represents the same polar line, and given that HCF of a comma b comma c is 1, then compare 2 and 3 equations. A equal to 0, b equal to 2 and c equal to 1. X coefficient 0 from 2, y coefficient 2, constant is 1. Hence a square plus b square plus c square equal to 0 plus 2 square plus 1 square. 4 plus 1 5. థ్యాంక్ యూ స్టూడెంట్స్. ఈ వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్కి షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.